Hello friends, whenever we specify a file or directory in a script or command, we have to be very careful about its path. A path is nothing but a unique location of a file or directory in a file system. A path is made up of components. Each component represents a directory separated by a delimiting character. A path can either be absolute or relative. An absolute path specifies the location of a file or directory from the root directory or drive, and it is always unique and independent of your current directory. Means we don't need to give reference of current directory in absolute path. Path specified in example is an absolute path. Relative path definition depends upon the specification of current directory in path. The best benefit of using relative path is that it reduces the time to write code and code length itself. For using relative path in our code or command, many times it is necessary that our current working location should be set to the directory that contains the required file or directory that we need to specify in our script or command. For example, if we need to use file my-file.txt in our command, then our current working location should be the directory that contains the file my_file.txt. When we specify a relative path, PowerShell converts this relative path into absolute path in background, and conversion is transparent to user. Means user will not know anything about this conversion and he will not even notice anything about this conversion. Many times we may get some requirement to convert a relative path into absolute path manually so that we can use that resolved path in some other things or some other parts of the script. Resolve-path command is used to convert relative path into absolute path. In this example, we are trying to resolve relative path of a file. Resolve-path command can only resolve relative path of files which already exist. We can easily see the difference of running both commands specified in this example. We can get absolute path of files in bulk by using wildcard. In this example, we have specified a path using wildcard. Now if we will run this command, we will get absolute path of all the files in current folder whose name starts with file word. This table contains some characters that are very frequently used while specifying relative path for any file or folder. I will personally encourage you to memorize all these characters because you will be using these characters very frequently. Single dot represents current directory, double dot represents parent directory, backslash represents root directory, tilt character represents home directory. In this example, we can see some uses of these characters. Now let's recap. Paths can either be relative or absolute. Resolve-path command is used to convert relative path into absolute path manually. It only works for files that already exist.